How are all our Randy people?
I think we're all right. We found the appropriate tools and we removed the trunk lid.
We need to grab people and show them why we're doing this and use the small arrow as an example of why. Because there was obviously a reaction between the new build.
Is it not happy? Allie's doing hillbilly style. It's all good.
Well, we found these in the trunk, so.
I think those are mine, but they're communal.
Oh, well, it's not like it's messing them up.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna buy the nice electric ones.
It's not messing them up.
It's fine.
This is actually
It's fine. It's fine.
Fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. It will be fine.
I don't want to sit there and paint this stuff because we don't have to, but since the rust goes all the way here, we're gonna have to do it. So I know it's insulation.
All right.
stuff, but-
I gotta go get the Uggy Duggy.